That's my niece,
Customer number 39.
my nephew, and my sister. Hello mo.
Hi, Tati B.
Dali. Sabi mo, let's eat.
Ang miss nyo.
Let's eat. Let's eat. Here's our food. Rice with chicken. Rice with chicken. Spaghetti with a burger. Jollibee! Hindi, record ko na. Yeah. My niece, Almira. Almira Isabel. And that's my nephew, Ron Cyrus. Lots of people in the Jollibee today. Hindi.
Hello, Tati B.
Puro naman to yun. Sabi mo, hello guys. Let's eat guys. We're on the Jollibee today. Today is Sunday. It was a family day. Ano yan? Nakakamay ka talaga. It's a Jollibee day. Diba? Ron Cyrus? It's a Jollibee day. Nagutom ka, Cyrus? Ha?
Anong tapo?
Saan? Gutom ka, bigat ka ba? Ah! Spaghetti?
Ito yung ibang bata, hindi nakakakain ng ganyan na. Kayo lagi nag-aksaya ng pagkain ng mga Isabel.
Kala mo mga mayayaman na yan, eh. Nag-aaksaya ka ba ng pagkain? Bad yun.
Pero kumain lang siya pagkakulo na yan.
Ano ka?
Customer number 37. Customer number 37.